Grüß euch! Greetings, I'm Doran from Artu, Germany, and today I want to show you our combination plier. I'm very proud of this combination plier, and let me just show you quickly why. So what I just did is I took a 2-inch nail and I cut it with our plier. You can see it here very easily. It's cut. See? And the cutting edge is not broken, is not chipped due to very complicated heat treatment and tempering system. So let's now talk a little about the jaws. The jaws are produced very precisely, and to show you how precise, without big explanation, I'm going to show you something. I think this should speak for itself. The jaws are very parallel, and even I put weight on the bottom, the paper will not slip up. So if you are looking for quality, reliability, a tool that works for you, and most important, a tool that lasts, I've got this for you.